Hare Krishna, golden opportunity for every living human being on this planet, the month of Shravan. This information that I'm going to give you is directly coming from Shiv Maha Puran. This is coming from our Jyotish, from the teachings of my gurus. And in this information, I'll tell you what all 10 things that you can offer to Shiva Lingam in the month of Savan, so that all your planets, the entire horoscope, starts giving you positive circumstances in your life. That's what I'm going to tell you in this particular. You see, we're suffering. We are suffering from mental peace, job, financial constraints. We are suffering from matrimonial issues. You're not getting married, not getting a job. There are certain planets, and those planets are passing on, your own karmas from your previous life to you. But is there a way that we can come out of a situation and make things positive for us? Yes, there is a way. It's a small video, it's not a very large video, right? But I must tell you that there are two things. People say that, I'm not getting job, I'm not getting married because it's not in my destiny. I personally believe that destiny is equal to prarabdha, and prarabdha has, mixture of your hard work and your past life karmas. It's like blend of both. So if you completely believe in your past life karma and do not do any efforts, Shiva is not happy. Shiva wants you to do certain things in your life. And one of the major things he wants to do is to, work hard, be spiritual, right? And when I say spirituality, Kali Yuga is about chanting the names of Shri Ram and Shiva and the Guru mantras, and also doing certain charities and offering certain things to Mahadev. Mahadev has everything. When I say everything, he doesn't require anything. He doesn't want anything. Basically, he's everything. But when you offer certain things on Shiva Lingam, the planetary energy, the planets are like filters giving you the energy. They become positive for you. They are not severe. They can expedite things for you because you are a Shiva devotee. And you are doing what can control them, right? And what can tell them that, hey, Navneet is doing this. You need to, take care of him. Help him. Whatever his karma is. He's doing effort. He's doing his mantras. And he's doing these things in the Shravan month. Please go ahead and help. And when you take that order from Mahadev or Vishnu, it's going to happen. 100% it's going to happen. So you've got 10 things that are very, very important in your horoscope. First thing is lagna. And then we've got 9 planets. And I'm going to tell you in this Savan month, which begins on July 11th until 14th, 15th of August, what you should offer for all the 9 planets and your lagna. Irrespective of whatever your lagna is. Irrespective of whatever placements of the planets is. First thing for the lagna, you offer fly whisk to, in a Shiva temple. Now, what is a fly whisk? Have you been to a Gurudwara where you have Guru Granth Sahib Ji? And then there is a person who keeps on doing like a fan, a fly whisk. That offering is about your intelligence, about your lagna, about your physical health. And if you're suffering from lot of depression, physical problems, and your identity, your name and fame, on the day of Sunday, because Surya is the major significator, or you can do it on Thursday of your lagna. Jivakaraka Brahaspati or Surya Maharaj. So either on Sunday or Thursday of the Savan month, go and offer a fly whisk. You can do it in a Gurdwara if you want to do. If you can do it in a Shiva temple, a Krishna temple, just go and do it. Just do it. Immediately your lagna and planets, all the planets in the lagna will be sorted. At least for 1 year, at least for next Savan. And if you're running any afflicted planetary dasha, then you can of course keep that planet in priority, but I'll tell you about all the 9 planets. So for lagna, it's a fly whisk. For Surya, sun, you see, it's umbrella. You can take an umbrella, and on the day of Sunday, any Sunday of the Savan, go and offer that umbrella to the Brahman in the temple. He can use it for his personal use. Right? So tell Brahman that this is for you, sir. Prabhuji, this is for you. That is the remedy for Surya Bhagwan in this Savan. For Shukra, it is vastram, clothes. So you can offer a white dhoti which is unstitched, not the stitched one, and offer it to Shiva Lingam, or you can give it to Brahman. If you have problems related to Venus, Venus is karaka of marriage, happiness, financial independence, calculation, financial management comes from Shukra. Go and offer clothes to the Brahmin. You can offer a white dhoti on a Shiva Lingam for Mahadev, for Shiva. Make sure it is not stitched. You have the corners, we stitch it, we call it pico, don't get it done. Unstitched white dhoti to Shiva. That's for your Venus. For Mercury, if you go to temple every day in the Savan month, you can offer gandha. What is gandha? Gandha is the sandal paste. When you go to a shop, now you get those, packed sandal paste, which you put it on Shiva Lingam, put it on your forehead, right? Offer the sandal paste, and that's for Mercury. Communication problems. Mercury is the karaka of Kali Yuga. It's all about calculations, money, finances, counting, problem-solving abilities. If you're running a Mercury Mahadasha, it becomes very important for you. Very important. So offer, if you can go to Shiva temple, offer gandha. If you can't, get a box of the sandal paste and offer it on a Shiva temple. Trust me, the day you do it in the Savan month, at least for 1 year till next Savan month, your Mercury is sorted. Trust me. You will start getting results. You will get forgiveness from that Mahadev who is everything, who is larger than everything in this universe. For Jupiter, offer yellow flowers, a garland made of yellow flowers on Shivling every day for good 30 days of Savan. If you can't do it every day, go on Thursday, at least 1 day in a week. Go and offer yellow flowers garland on Shivalinga. You will see, Jupiter is the karaka of highest level of sukha. When you have Jupiter in 6, 8 and 12, you may have many things in your life, but you miss on the real happiness. And the real happiness is going to come only if Brahaspati is blessing you, if Jupiter is blessing you. You can get materialistic wealth, you can get name, fame, but even if you have everything and you don't have that happiness, it's not worth it. So Jupiter, offer yellow flowers garland. For Saturn, it is dhupa, incense sticks. You can offer that regular black dhupa, the big one, not with someone with the bamboo stick or something. No, offer the dhupa, which you roll, you make it, put it near the Shivaling. That's what is for Shani Maharaj, right? Or if you can get some agarbatti or incense sticks without that wooden, base, right? Still it is fine. The best would be, the dhupa that you get. It has many things that I can discuss one day. How does that, gives you a lot of prosperity. Give it 4 or 5 boxes in the temple. Ask Panditji Brahman to use it for you. One, you can use it there, keep it there. Do it on Saturday of the Shravan month. Or if you visit temple every day, make a small, bucket or basket for yourself. Go there, take everything. Now you'll ask me, Navneet sir, how can we offer clothes every day? Of course we can offer clothes every day just by offering a small one thread known as sooth thread. It is there in the shops where you get those material for temple. Go and buy that white thread sooth, pure cotton, sooth that you get. Offer small piece of that white cotton to Shivalinga every day. Shiva, Mahadev, he doesn't need, materialistic things from you. But even one small thread, sutra on a Shivalingam is huge for Mahadev. Right? So incense sticks, fly this once you can offer. Clothes you can offer every day. I told you it's small, everything. Gandha paste you can offer every day. You can also offer it on Wednesdays. Right? Garland you can offer every day. Incense sticks every day. For Mars, it's the lamp. Offer lamp around Shivaling on a Shiva temple every day for next 30 days, starting from July 11th. Trust me, your Mars will be sorted. Right? Or you can go and provide some lamps and ghee in the temple to Brahman and tell the Brahman that please do it on my behalf, do it for me. I can't come every day. I have my commitments. Please do it for me. You can tell your mother that please go do it on my behalf. If you do it yourself, nothing like it. But if you can go once, go on Tuesday and give that material to Brahman. Right? That's for Mars. For Moon, it's Anna, food. Go on Monday. Offer fruits, milk, mithais, and all those things. Shiva may not be very interested in those foods, but for Chandra, mother, the highest priority for mother is to nourish the children. Ye kha lo beta, wo kha lo beta. That's the biggest thing for Moon. So offer food on Shivalingam. Bananas, mangoes. It's a season of mangoes here, right? All those seasonal fruits, or even some mithai if you want to. That's for your Chandra. Do it on Monday. Do it every day for next 30 days. Be great. Obviously for the sun, I've told you the umbrella on Sunday once in the Savan month. And then we have for Ketu. For Ketu, you can offer Dhwaja, which is a flag. So take a flag, go on Tuesday. Tuesday is for Ketu. One Tuesday in the Savan month, go and offer Dhwaja in a Shiva temple, or give it to Brahmin, or offer it in front of Shiva and tell Brahmin to use it wherever he can. That's for your Ketu. And for Rahu, it's the fan. Then in the old, we call it a pakhi, where we used to do fan like this. Not the fly whisk, but the fan. Okay? So there are very good wooden, or fans made of natural materials. So you can use that fan. Or if you're using technology, modern technology, just donate a ceiling fan or a cooler or an AC in a temple on Saturday if you're really troubled by Rahu Mahadasha. Right? You can simply offer 100 rupees fan. Pandits will use it, They may not have ACs, but they usually use it. So give fan, right? A ceiling fan, a hand fan, right? Or an AC or a cooler, just go and donate it on Saturday once in the Savan month. Trust me, this is a golden opportunity. Do not let this opportunity go. It is coming from the words of our Guru. It's coming from Shiv Maha Puran. And trust me, all my students, all my subscribers, followers, they have got tremendous results by doing these remedies. And if you do it, trust me, it's a blessing that you'll get from all the planets, and the instructions will directly come from Shiva, from Mahadev. Wish you a very beautiful, very auspicious and Shiva conscious Savan month. Har Har Mahadev. Tons of love and blessings to you. Thank you.